Welcome to the fifth video in our comprehensive algo trading course. Today we are going to talk about installing Anaconda, a powerful tool that will make it easy for you to manage your Python environment. The first step is to download Anaconda from the official website, which you can find at anaconda.com. Once you're there, click on the download button or choose the version that matches your operating system. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompt and you will be ready to go in no time. Once you've installed Anaconda, you will have access to a wide range of tools and libraries that are essential for data science and algorithmic trading. One of the great things about Anaconda is that it makes it easy to manage your environment. Environments are isolated spaces where you can install different versions of packages without worrying about conflicts or compatibility issues. Let's create a new environment and install some packages. You can do this using the Anaconda Navigator, which is a graphical user interface that makes it easy to manage your environments and packages. In this environment, we are going to install some packages that are commonly used in algorithmic trading, such as NumPy, Pandas, or Matplotlib. Installing packages is as easy as writing simple orders. First, you need to have CMD prompts installed in your environment. Then run it and write conda install and then write the name of package you need, in this case, NumPy for example. Now that we have set up our environment, let's run JupyterLab, a powerful tool that allows us to write and execute Python code in an interactive notebook format. First, we need to install it in our environment. In this notebook, we are going to write a simple script that prints mini traders to the screen. This might seem like a trivial example, but it demonstrates the power of Anaconda and JupyterLab when it comes to prototyping and testing your code. So there you have it, a brief introduction to Anaconda and how it can help you with your algorithmic trading projects. We have only scratched the surface of what's possible with Anaconda, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'll be releasing more videos on algorithmic trading. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.